Alright. Passed by the Department of Ag. What might this be? The unboxing video. That is going to be so short. Did the fish survive?
Alright guys, so this was actually imported from the US mainland. And we are going to see what's inside this mofo. And we're going to see.
Ready to go. Alright, looks pretty good. Oh, I see movement. Holy moly. Yes, sir. That's some paradise fish. I'm gonna check out this one. And we got 4. Good. Double bagged. That's how I like it. This is probably the fastest unboxing video I have ever made. All right. And we got 4 all running around. Looking good. Looking good. That's how I like to see them. I'm gonna turn on the pump to acclimate these guys. All right, so we got another 4 paradise fish. Let's open her up. Let's check it out. Dechlorinated and deactivated ammonia water. So we just gotta bring these guys back to life. But they are looking good so far. All right, so it's been about a few hours. Pretty anal about my acclimation process. And look at that. Nice and healthy. All right, looks like we got some females in here. Let's look at the next one. Some fish over here. Again, about a few hours. These are the males. Should be a lot more colorful, but obviously not. Because they had a stressful trip. But they all look healthy. They all ate. Everybody's nice and healthy swimming around, having a good time. And I'm pretty sure either tomorrow or the following day, these guys are gonna be all colored up and ready to go. All right.